When the aircraft comes in and the passengers leave the plane, their day is done, but ours is just beginning.
Aircraft engine is the heart of any airlines.
Dirty engine means it's very unhappy and it's not running as efficiently as it should, and it is burning more fuel than it should, and in this day and age, fuel is everything.
The Rochem jet wash system makes it easier for the operator to clean because the system is all self-contained.
There's nothing to it. You just roll up the equipment to the engine, and then after that, literally all you have to do is push the equipment up to the intake and turn the water on. It's as simple as that.
The washing takes place with the engine being turned on its starting system at approximately 20% of its normal speed.
There's actually specialized nozzles that are aimed directly towards the fan blades, sprays the water in a 360-degree pattern all the way around the inlet.
During which time the cleaning solutions are injected through the compressor, cleaning all the stators and rotors as it goes, expelling the water and the dirt and so on as a mist behind the aircraft. It's then processed through this ultrafiltration system. We re-separate the dirty water, we clean it back up to a demineralized state, and that water can then be sent back to the wash tanks for reuse or for safe disposal to the ground. So you're ending up with a cleaning process which is good for the environment. You're not throwing the dirt, the water on the ground underneath the engines.
And then you just turn it off after your set amount of time and you're done.
We're talking about 6 or 8 minutes.
The true benefit is having the ability to own your own equipment and be able to wash when you want to wash because you want to wash. And what that comes down to is saving fuel.
A 1% drop in that fuel consumption can mean as high as $700 million to the bottom line of the operating cost.
We wanted a company who was passionate about what they do, passionate about engine cleaning, and we know they're a proven industry leader.
The traveling public gets on an airplane and they expect that that airplane is going to operate as efficiently as possible to get them from point A to point B. A cleaner engine means a safer aircraft because the engines are operating at their max power and consuming less fuel. That means less carbon emissions being emitted to the air. So you have a cleaner engine, a cleaner environment, and a safer aircraft for the traveling public.
And ultimately, the end game here is that you're keeping your engine on wing longer because you're keeping it cleaner. By doing that, you're saving engine overhaul costs and you're really saving money for the whole airline.
Rochem jet engine wash system designed for the world's largest airline, now available for all commercial airlines.
It's the right product at the right price at the right time.